Hello everyone, this is Ramdas. I have an experience of 9 years in maths. I am teaching you mathematics in ABC Educational Learning app. Dear students, our channel provides online classes for all subjects. Then why are you waiting? Let's join with us. Our first topic is real number. In that real number chapter, we have learned different concepts that are, what are the different concepts? Euclid division lemma, how to find LCM and HCF of given integers, and to prove that irrational number, how to prove that irrational numbers, and the next topic is logarithms. Okay students, the next topic is logarithms. Before going to logarithms, in today's session we are discussing logarithms. Before going to discuss logarithms, students, already we have laws of exponents, right? In lower session, means in 8th and 9th standard, you were studied laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. Okay, just recall what are the laws of exponents. Okay students, a power m into a power n. Already you know students, a power m plus n. Similarly, a power m divided by a power n, a power m minus n. And one more, a power minus n is equal to a power 1 by n. And a power m whole power n is equal to a power m n. The relation between exponents and logarithm is there. So just recall what are the exponents, laws of exponents. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. A power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. And a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. A power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. These are, already you know, these are laws of exponents. Now, before knowing about logarithms, student, just see, okay, suppose 2 power x in exponential form, already you know, 2 power x is nothing but, what is 2? 2 is base. What is x? X is power or exponent. X is exponent. Or x is power or exponent or index. Right? This is last exponential form. Now, see students, 2 power, suppose for example, 2 power x, okay, 2 power x is equal to, okay student, 2 power x, for example, 2 power x is equal to 4. Then what is the value of x here? Student, observe here, 2 power x is equal to 4. What is the value of x here? 2 power x is equal, you can write in terms of prime. 4, you can write 2 into 2. That means 2 into 2, a power m into a power n. A power m plus n. That is 2 power 2. Now, observe student, 2 power x is equal 2 square. Then what is the value of x here? X is equal, what is the value of x? X is equal 2. Is nothing but 2 power 2 is nothing but 2 multiplied by 2 times. For suppose 2 cube. What is the meaning? 2 is multiplied by 3 times. Means 2 into 2 into 2. What is the answer? 8. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. See, is it clear, student? Very simple. When 2 power x is equal 4, what is the value of x? X is equal to. Let's see one more example. For suppose 3 power y is equal to 81. Then what is the value of y? 3 power y is equal to 81. Then what is the value of y here? You can write 3 power y is equal to 81 in terms of 3. Means you can write 3 power 4. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Then what is the value of y here? Y is equal to 4. Is it clear, students? Okay. Now tell me one thing. Suppose 2 power x is equal to 5. Then what is the value of x here? 2 power x is equal to 5. Then what is the value of x here? Then here observe, students. Here observe. We cannot express power. We get 5. Right? Then observe here 2 power x is equal to 5. Then what is the value of 5? Can you find the value of x here? Can you find the value of x here? By using this method? No. Right? Then just to find these, what is the value of x here? To find, we need a relation between x and 5 here. Right? We need to establish a relation between x and 5. Then suppose, observe student here. Already you know something power 0. 2 power 0, 1. Then 2 power 1, 2. 2 power 2, 4. 2 power 3, 8. Observe student here. When in power of 2 power x, suppose put x is equal to 1. 2 power 1 is equal to 5. Is it right? No. Then 2 power 1. Is it 2? No. We get value 5. Then in between power of 2, that is 2 and 3. In between 2 and 3. Therefore, here x value is near to 2 and 3 of power 2. Observe, 2 power 2, 4. 2 power 3, 8. Then we can simply say here, what is the value? Approximately 2 power. 2 power, what is the 2 power 2? 4. Then here, in place of x, we get decimal. That is rational number. Means 2 point something is equal to, we get 5. Then how to find these type of problems? Or you can take one more example for easy understanding. Okay. Then to find these type of problems. Students, let me one thing. Already know 2 power 1, 2. 2 power 5, 32. Right? 2 power 5, 32. Okay. Suppose 2 power 3 by 5. Right? What is the value here? Then find these type of problems. We find these type of problem. We have one technique. That is our present topic, logarithms. Is it clear, students? Right? Then find these type of problems. How to find the value of x? We have one technique, that is logarithms. Okay, students? Now, present topic is logarithms. Is it clear, students? Very simple. Here, to find the value of x, we need to establish the relation between x and the value. X and value. Then our topic is logarithm. Is it clear, students? Okay. Then Okay, now topic is logarithms. Okay, do you know students what is mean by logarithm? Where it will be used? Right? Now see. Okay, logarithms. See here, log is one term, arith means one term. Arith means arithmetic. Mathematics can be divided mainly three branches. What are the three branches? Algebra, arithmetic and geometry. Okay, and log, it is a mathematical function. We can read as short form log. Okay, now understand this concept. See one example. Students, already know, for suppose, already know 2 power 5. 2 power 5. What is the answer 2 power 5? What is the meaning? 2 power 5 is nothing but 2 is multiplied by 5 times. Right? Then we get 32. Right? We get 32. Then here, already know students, here 2 is called base. 2 is called base. Then here 32. What is 32? It is a real number. 32. It is a real number. Then what is 5 here? 5 is exponent. 5 is exponent and R exponent are index. R power. Don't confuse students. 2 power 5 is equal 32. 2 is called base, 5 is called exponent, index or power, and 32 is now number. Now, how to notation of logarithm? Okay, then notation of logarithm is it is very important students. You can write log to the base. A is any real number. Log to base A of number. Here you can write number is equal to power. Notation of logarithms. Log to base any number A is equal to power. Okay, observe student here, you know 2 power 5 is equal 32. Then how to notate this form into log? Okay, you can find log. What is base here? What is base? 2. Log 2, what is the number here? Number 32 means log 32 base 2. Right? Log 32 base 2 is equal, what is the answer? What is the power here? Exponent, index, power 5 is equal to 5. Is it clear student? Very simple. Okay. The notation of logarithm, log to the base any number is equal to the power. You can see one more problem. For suppose 5 cube is equal to 125. 5 cube is equal to 125. Means you can write in the form of logarithm, in the form of general form of logarithm. Log, what is the base here? 5. What is the number? 125 is equal to, what is the power? 3. Then what is the answer here? The answer is 3. This is the general form of logarithm. Right? So student, observe here, very simple. You can take any number. 2 power 5, 32. Then 2 is called base, where power 5 is called exponent, index or power, and 32 is a number. Then notation of log. Log base to the any number, number is equal to the power. Is it clear? Then log 32 base 2 is equal to 5. Okay, similarly 5 cube is equal to 125. Then log 125 base 5 is equal to the 3. Is it clear students? Very simple. Now general form of logarithm. Okay students, general form of logarithm. We can write short form log. Okay, then general form of logarithm. In general, how to write general form of any real number? Okay, in general, where a greater than 0 and n greater than 0, a not equal to 1, where a, n are belongs to real positive integers. Okay, real positive numbers. A greater than 0 means the values are greater than 0. N greater than 0. N greater than 0 means real numbers. Means which real numbers? Positive real numbers. And condition a not equal to 0. Then general form of, okay, then a power x is equal to n. When already you know students, what is a power x is equal to n? It is exponential form. Then we have to write into logarithm form, that is general form. Then a power x is equal to n, it is exponential form. Exponential form. Okay, then when a power x is equal to n, then you can write log base a to the number n is equal to x. Is it clear students? Just now we see an example. 2 power 5 is equal to 32. Then in terms of log 2 number 32 is equal to 5. Observe here, same, a power x is equal to n. Then log n to the base a is equal to x. This is the general form of log. Okay, is it clear students? You can convert any number like exponential form, convert into log, means general form of log. Is it clear students? Then log n to the base a is equal to x. X is what here? X is what? Exponent or index or power. This is the general form of logarithm. Okay. A greater than 0, n greater than 0, and what is the condition here? A not equal to 1, where a, n are belongs to real positive numbers. Then a power x is equal to n, then it is exponential form. Then general form of log n to the base a is equal to x. Is it clear students? Now next topic is properties of logarithms or laws of logarithms. Okay students? Properties are laws of logarithms. Okay, laws of or properties of logarithm. Okay, properties of logarithms. Students, logarithms are very important in many applications and mathematics, in advanced mathematics also. And logarithms are used for sorting collection of, means in science and technology and economics subject. Okay, in science and technology, logarithms are used to sorts of collection, that is science and engineering and economic. Okay, Then properties of logarithm. In this, students, remember this one, right? What is that? When a power x is equal to n, we can write log n base a is equal to x. This is general form of logarithm. Now, properties of logarithm. In this, first one, okay, just observe student, just observe, 2 power 0 is equal to what? Already something power 0. In laws of exponents, a power 0 is equal to 1. Then it is a exponential form. Then apply this form to log. That is first one. Then apply here. You can write log. What is the base here? A. Then what is the value of here? X. 1. Means is equal to 0. It is our first property. Observe student. Log 1 base any real number. We get what is the answer? 0. Is it clear student? Observe here, log 1 to the base a is equal to 0. For example, log 7 base 1. Okay, log 7 base 1. Observe here, where base is a real number, then we get what is the answer here? 0. You can take any example. Suppose log 10 base 17. You get answer 0. Is it clear? Then first property, log 1 to the base a is equal to 0. Okay student? Then now second one, second property, second one, very simple student. Already 2 power 1. What is the value 2 power 1? 2. Okay student, 2 power 1, 2. Or you can take 3 power 1, 3. Then it is a exponential form. Then you can write in log form. Right? Very simple. Then log of what is the base here? A. A is a real number. To the base and power is same here. Then a is equal to 1. Okay, this is second property. Very simple. When log base and number equal, then what is the answer? 1 here, right? Is it clear students? For example, log 2 base 2. What is the answer? 1. When number and base are equal, we get answer 1. Is it clear? Okay. Then log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. Take one more example. Okay. Log 5 base 5. Answer 1. Or you can take log c base c. Answer 1. You can take log x base x. Answer 1. It is second property. Is it clear students? Then in logarithm, general form, and in properties, first one, log 1 base a is equal to 0 and log a base a is equal to 1. It is second one. Then the third one, third property is okay student, third property based on a power m into a power n. Already you know what is the answer? A power m into a power n? A power m plus n, right? Then third property is product rule. Third property, product rule. What is the property? Log base a x into y is equal log x base a plus log y base a. Is it clear students? Log xy, x into y means these two numbers are in product, then it is product rule. Log xy to the base a is equal to log x base a plus log y base a. You need proof? Okay. Let how to solve prove this one. Prove that. Let where m is equal log x base a and n is equal log y base a, and we have, right, we have a power m is equal to x, a power n is equal to y. Okay students, then we know the laws of exponents. Which one? A power m into a power n. A power m into a power n, that is a power m plus n, right? Then what is a power m here? X. What is a power n? Y. X into y is equal a power m plus n, right students? Okay, xy is equal a power m plus n, right? Then see here, apply log on both sides. Then log xy base a is equal, you can write general form, convert into general form. Okay, convert into general form, that is m plus n log a. What is m here? Log x plus what is n? Log y base a. Hence proved. Where here a, x are belongs to real positive integer. Okay, this rule is product rule. Very simple student. Log x into y is equal log x plus log y. Observe here, when you know this property, m into n, we get m plus n. Same property apply here, x into y. Log x into y, that is equal to log x base a plus log y base a. This rule is called product rule. Means from this, product of logarithms is equal to the sum of the logarithms. Very simple. See student, product of logarithm is equal to sum of the logarithms. This is third property. Okay students, let's see example. First suppose log 10 base log 10 base 10. Then you can write by using product rule. You can write log 10, in place of 10 you can write 2 into 5, right? Then we converted into log x into y, right? Then you can write here log 10, what is x? 2 plus log 10, what is y? 5, right? That is third property, product rule. Is it clear students? Very simple. Okay, then now next fourth property is quotient rule. It is product rule, then quotient rule. Quotient is nothing but denominator and numerator, p by q form, right? Then next one, fourth one, quotient rule. Okay students, product of logarithm is equal to sum of logarithms. Already you know, in mathematics just we have basic 4 mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Observe here, multiplication, we get here sum, right? Similarly, what are the remaining 2 operations? Division and subtraction. Then you can say, very simple, log x by y base a. Then we get here log x base a minus log y base a. Observe student, x into y, that is product rule. X by y, that is quotient rule. Is it clear? Then log x by y base a is equal to log x base a minus log y base y. It is also same. How to prove this? We use one identity, that is loss of exponent. A power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Okay, then what is a power m here? You can take x is equal to a power m, y is equal to a power n, x by y is equal to a power m minus n. Then apply logarithm on both sides. Then we have to convert into general form of logarithm. Then we get log x by y is equal to log x base a minus log y base a. That is fourth property of logarithm, quotient rule. Is it clear, students? Then now next one, fifth property, that is power rule. Okay. When you know these properties of logarithms, then students, you get how to solve. We get rough idea about the problems, right? How to solve, we get rough idea about the problems, right? Then very interesting, students. Then you know next property. Just take short and sweet break. We will come back. Thank you. Welcome back, students. Okay, very interesting subject, that is maths. You have maths phobia? You have maths phobia? Then join in ABC Educational Learning app, then remove your maths phobia. Okay. Now our next property is power rule. Okay. First one, log 1 base any real number is equal to 0, and log a base a means when number and base equal same, then answer 1. And next one, product rule, that is product of logarithms is equal to the sum of the logarithms. Then next one, quotient rule, that is quotient rule, log x by y is equal to log x minus log y. Now next one, power rule. Okay. Fifth one, power rule. Already you know, students, very simple. Power rule, log x to the power of n is equal n into log x base a. It is power rule where a, x, n are belongs to real numbers. Is it clear, students? Very simple. When log x power n, then n into log x base a. It is power rule. Then next one, next property is, okay, a power log a, any number n here, a power log, then we get answer here n. Okay, for example, take here example of power rule. You can take log 2 power 3 base 2. Apply here log x power n, log x power n base 2. Then you can write n into, in place of what is n here? 3. Then 3 into log 2 base 2. Already you know, student, what is our second property? Log 2 base 2. What is the answer? 1. Right. Then 3 into 1 is equal to 3. That is power rule. Then next one, a power log n base n, you get n. For example, you can take 2 power log 2 base log 3 base 2. 2 power log 3 base 2. Then what is the answer here? 3. Simply you can write 3 by using this property. A power log n base a is equal to n. Right? Then last property, already you know, here observe, student, what is the power here? N means where power exists here? Number. Then suppose base have any power, base have any power, that is last property. You can write log x power a power m, right? Log x to the base a power m, right? When in term you can write a power m means log x base a power m, you can write 1 by a power m into same log x base a. Seventh property. For example, see one more example. Find log 25 log 5 base 25. What is the answer here? What is the answer? By using this property, you can write 25 in terms of power 5. Means you can write log 5 25, you can write 5 square. Compare with this property, log x, log 5, a power m, 5 power 2. Then we get, what is the answer? 1 by m means 1 by, in place of m, what is the value? 2. 1 by 2 into log 5. What is the base? 5. Already you know, students, log 5 base 5, 1. Then what is the answer here? 1 by 2. This is last property, that is log means log of any number in power of base. Okay, base have any power means a power m, 1 by m into log x base a. Okay, is it clear, students? Logarithm, it is a mathematical technique or function of mathematics where it will be used sorts of collection in science and technology. Right? Now just recall what are the properties of logarithms, right? And we will solve some more problems based on properties, right? Very easy, students. Properties of logarithms. Okay, first you can write here, okay, first you can write here general form of, where a power x is equal to n, then log, what is the first one? General form. General form of logarithm. Then first one, log 1 base a is equal to 0. Log a base a is equal to 1. Then third one, product rule, that is log x into y base a is equal to log x plus log y base a. Fourth one, quotient rule, log x by y with base a is equal to log x base a minus log y base a. Now fifth one, power rule, it is product rule, it is quotient rule. Next, log x power n base a n into log x base a, it is power rule. Now a power log a base n is equal to n. Then last one, log x a power m is equal to 1 by m into log x base a. These are properties of logarithms. Based on properties, now we will solve some example problems or exercise problems, right? Then first one, find the value of following, right? First one, find the value of following. Suppose log 3 base 81. What is the value? Observe here, we can, which rule we use? Which property? Seventh one. You can write log 3, then you can write 81 in terms of power of 3, that is 3 power 4. Then observe these property, you can write 1 by 4 into log 3 base 3. Already you know students, log a base a. What is answer? 1. Then answer 1 by 4 into 1. Right? 1 by 4 into 1, that is equal to 1 by 4. Very simple. Right? Second one, log 2 by 3, log 8 by 27, base 2 by 3. Right? Right. Observe student, here we can change it into base. Here we can change number. Right? Then you can write log, you can write 2 cube divided by 3 cube. What is the value 2 cube? 8. What is the value 3 cube? 27. Okay. Divide, what is the base here? 2 by 3. Then you can write log, you can write 2 by 3 whole power 3. Already you know, a power m divided by b power m. A divided by b whole power m. Right? Same. 2 by 3. Then here we use log x power n into log x base a, log x power n base a. Then you can write 3 into log 2 by 3 base also 2 by 3. When we know in properties of logarithm, log value and base are same, then we get answer 1. Then 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Right? Very simple. We use here log x power n, that is n into log x base a. Is it clear students? Now see, these are in your public exam 1 or 2 marks questions. 1 or 2 marks questions. Very, very important for you. Right? Now see one more example. It is different. Next one is different. పిల్లలు అర్థమవుతుంది కదా, చాలా ఈజీ. ఎప్పుడైతే మనం కాన్సెప్ట్ క్లియర్గా అర్థం చేసుకుంటామో, ప్రాబ్లమ్ని ఏ విధంగా సాల్వ్ చేసుకోవాలనే లాజిక్ ఒక్కటి పట్టుకుంటే చాలు, ప్రాబ్లం ఆటోమేటిక్గా అర్థమవుతుంది. రైట్? దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఫైండ్ లాగ్ రూట్ సి బేస్ సి. Log root c base c. right? Then first you can convert into, right? Already you know students, what is the value of root? 1 by 2. Root is nothing but 1 by 2. Then c power 1 by 2 base c, right? Which property here? Log x power n, n into log x base a, right? Then you can write 1 by 2 into log c base c, right? Already you know student, log a base a, what is the answer? 1. Then 1 by 2 into 1, that is equal 1 by 2, right? Very simple. Now we will see different problem. Write the following expressions. Second one, it is type 1, means find the value of log. Next, type 2, write the following expression as log n. Write the expression as log n base a, right? Type 1, solve the following problems. Second one, write the expression as log n. For suppose 3 into log 4 base 4. What is the answer here? What is the answer? 3 into 1, that is equal to 3. Already know, log a base a 1, then answer 3. Okay. Next one, second one, 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2, right? Already know students, observe here, n into log x base a, then you can write log x power n. Okay, first convert into log 3, what is the coefficient here? 2, then coefficient get power, log 3 power 2 minus log 2 power 3. Already you know students, 3 power 2 means 3 square, 3 into 3, 3 3 is a 9, log 3 square 9 minus log 2 cube, log 8. Then you can write third, which is quotient rule, log x by y. Observe here, log x minus log y, you can write log 9 by 8, that is x by y, right? Answer log 9 by 8. Is it clear students? Very simple. Similarly, you can take one more problem. Suppose log 16 base 2, log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Very simple student. Already you know, log 2 16 in terms of 2 power, then you can write 2 power 4 minus log 2 base 2. By using which property? Quotient rule. You can write 4 into log 2 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. In these two, which is common? Log 2 base 2 common. Then log 2 base 2 4 minus 1. You can write log 2 base 2 4 minus 1 3. Then you can write 3 into log 2 base 2. Already you know students, what is the value log 2 base 2? Means second property, log a base a 1. Then 3 into 1, that is equal 3 into 1, that is equal 3. 3 into 1, that is equal 3. Second type means expressions as we can write in the form of log n. Okay. Then third type problems, find the or expand. Expand the following problems by using properties of logarithms. See students, log 343 divided by 125. Just expand. Observe here, when a by b means we use here which rule? Quotient rule. Already know students, What is quotient rule? Log x by y is equal to log x base a minus log y base a, right? Then expand. First you can write log 343 means you can write 7 into 7 into 7. 7 7 is 49. 49 7 is 343. Similarly, 125 you can write 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125. Then you can write when bases are equal. Then what is the condition? We know the condition. When bases are equal, then we can add powers. Means 1 1 1. How many powers here? 3 ones. Means 1 plus 1 plus 1. You can write in place of 3 cube 7 cube. 343 in place of 7 cube. Similarly, in place of 125, we can write here 5 cube, right? 5 cube. Then log 7 by 5 whole cube. Now, you can write here log 7 by x power n 3 into log 7 by 5, right? 3 into log x by y log 7 minus log 5, right? Just expand. Okay, you can take any problem. Suppose for example log 25. How to expand? 25 into log 5 into 5, right? X into y log x plus log y, or you can write 5 into 5 5 square. We get answer 2 into log 5 base 5, that is equal to, right? Expand 343 divided by 125. Here we use which rule? Quotient rule. What is the quotient rule? Log x by y is equal to log x base a minus log y base a. Okay student? Then now next one, just one more important problem. Log 60, just expand it, log 60 base 2, right? Then already you know prime factorization of 60. Prime factorization of 60. Okay? 230 is a 60, 215 is a 60, 230 is a 215 is a 30. Okay? Then 3 5 is a, means you can write 60 is equal 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Means you can write 2 square into 3 into 5. Right? 60 is a composite. Then we can express in terms of prime, right? Now log in place of 60 you can write 2 square into 3 into 5. What is the base here? 2. Then here which rule we use? Second one, third one. What is that? Product rule. Product of the logarithms is equal to the sum of the logarithm. Okay student? Right. Then you can write here log 2 square plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. Right. Okay. Log 3 base 2, log 5 base 2. Here, observe here, power is there. Then power rule. What is the power rule? X power n, n into x. Then you can write 2 into log 2 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. Right? Then already you know students, log 2 base 2, when number and base are same, then we get 1. 2 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. Is it clear students? Very simple. These are different types of problems. By using we solve logarithms, properties of logarithms. Okay. Now we see 4 marks questions. Right? How to asking in 4 marks question in your public exam. Okay. Just you have to remember properties of logarithm and general form of logarithm. What is general form of logarithm? Right? Then here we convert into, we know exponential form. When we know exponential form, just we have to write into log form. That is general form of logarithm. Then properties of logarithm. Log 1, base any number real, that is 0. When number and base same, log a base a, we get 1. Next one, product rule, quotient rule, power rule, and one more, a power n, and when in terms of base is power is there. Right? These are properties of logarithm. Is it clear, students? Okay. Now, next. Very, very important 4 marks question. If x square plus y square is equal to 25xy, right? Then prove that 2 log x plus y is equal to 2 log x plus y is equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Right. Observe, students, here one condition is there. X square plus y square is equal 25xy. By using this condition, we have to prove 2 log x plus y is equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. See here and observe carefully. First, given that what is the condition here? Take x square plus y square is equal 25xy. Then just here we use simple trick, and how to prove the, here two terms is there, LHS and RHS. Then how to get LHS and RHS and how to prove this type of problem we will see in next class. Until then, dear students, join in our ABC educational learning app. I hope to see you in the next class. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.